Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what we do today, what opportunities we find. I'm not taking any trades because yet, but we're gonna be able to see what the market wants to do. Marie, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, DV.
Nice. By any chance, do you have orders ready there?
I do.
Yeah, which one you have?
Okay, so I've got TMC at 1050 long. I've got IBIT long 6250. Have fun. And I've got Eric short. Okay,
Eric,
I've got
okay.
TMC.
So I got long on, maybe with too many shares on Irene, but let's see. I should be able to clear up that one. It's just a 50 cents stop loss. Even if it's a cheap name, it's pumping up quite aggressively. So yeah, let's see how we mute this thing. So yeah, let's see if he wants to take off or not. Probably I should be liquidating half of that, but yeah, let's see how we do. Like it should go almost immediately above that price, but we have a good price, so we shouldn't be concerned about it. That happened there with the open. I was willing to buy the dip, but yeah, they keep dipping now. Okay, so there we go. So how do you type TMC? We know about Eric. Eric is like the name.
Just a name, yep. But it didn't initiate yet.
9.50 cents dollar the per share about.
Correct.
Like Eric doesn't have a K at the end, right? It's just
a C.
Yeah, just a C. Perfect. I got it. So yeah. So and you are right now TMZ.
TMC.
TMZ.
C.
MC. MC.
Yes.
All right. Hey, we're gonna take a little bit. Irene got me out.
Okay.
So Nvidia probably offering 82.66. Okay, I'm gonna be very patient here. With Nvidia, I'm gonna try to get Nvidia long at 182.05 about. It's dropping hard, it's going down quite a lot. So if it goes below Nvidia going down quite a lot. Right now it should bounce from there and retest the 182.50, but let's see. Everything is falling quite hard.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I have probably too many alerts right now.
What are your alerts?
All of them, like not all of them, like I only have four stocks, but like they are going down hard, So that just means that those trades may not work. So I'm gonna wait even more. How is your TMZ doing?
Right now, pulling back more than I would have expected.
Oh my goodness, Nvidia. Yeah, so I don't know why, but like it's going down a lot. So
Yeah.
yeah, Nvidia got me out.
Okay.
So I have no trades right now. PLTR, I can take a look at it and see, but yeah, things are really flushing. So 173. Okay, PLTR. Let's give it a shot to PLTR. But I'm gonna go very small in PLTR, and the reason for that is because I don't have a strong reason why to go long. So, but it's just a lot of level. So I took PLTR, they're very small amount. Let's just see what it wants to do. Like I was telling Marie, PLTR having a sleeping for
Yeah, you were saying that.
couple days, and like I don't know if when let's say like the president announced like those bad news and things like tariff on China and things like that. Do you do it intentionally a Friday afternoon because they're gonna have the last session of it, or like what is the point in there? I don't know. Like China want to do the same, we'll just do it to you Monday or whenever the market.
True. Irene's at
Yeah.
60.
Yeah, I don't want it anymore. It's not at a price of interest for me. I'm gonna look at them because now that I know that the levels are, I have to do them tomorrow again
Mm-hmm.
because that is where we are. So I do have AMD ideas, but it's so high in that right now that all right, probably we can take a trade on AMD going south. Nvidia, or maybe no. PLTR. Hey.
Oh. High NTC at 35.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Yeah, do not add to your trade. That's my case right now. I won't be adding to um, the trade because I know it's not the best idea right now, so I have to wait. You have Irene.
Yeah.
Irene. ¿Qué lo que?
Irena.
Irene. I don't think so. Oh my gosh. BBAI yesterday was as high as 16%, I think it was.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Irene, I see you are taking Irene. Okay. So that will be NVDA.
Are you looking at anything?
Yeah, I'm looking
Okay.
at the things I have on my watch list, but like,
And you got
I-
PLTR?
yeah, but I probably don't have a trade ready, just say.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we didn't see if we had news.
Yeah, I didn't check that. It's, so I got myself out of. Powell is gonna speak at 12:20. Yeah, there is Red Book was at 8:55. This feels like a lot of anticipation. Oh my goodness. Yeah, unfortunately, I have no trade ideas right now. 72.32. You see Tesla?
Oi! Wow. Wow. Does the the leaderboard? Ooh, ooh, ooh. The map is some kind of red.
Yeah, and you saw how green it was when we opened. Dun, 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 dun.
Dollar in the money on Irene.
Oh, Irene?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Nice. Alright, Papa.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Papa.
Yeah, as I say, I have no trades right now. So whatever is going on there is a software. So
Mm.
oh my God.
Okay, 63's on deck.
La 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 la. Learn to have good sleep. Good sleep. Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Yeah. How is your Irene doing?
You're doing very well.
Nice. C'est Marie.
And we've got $1.10.
It's a little bit screwed because as I only had those levels there, like, yes, I was looking for a trade, but I missed all of them. Like, one thing took the attention from the other in my occasion. So, like, for example, this morning I was busy with other things, and like I work out some levels, but my guy, you didn't look at what the moving average were doing for you, and like they were kind of clear there of what you want to look for, and like. Yeah, it's a little lack of attention there, but still things that we're gonna keep working on. Like,
Well, like you were saying, like those levels are important.
yeah, like, but like I don't trade those levels only. Like, for example, I look at the
Okay.
tape, and what I'm saying here is that like I'm gonna be able to tell you with actual, like, let's say Tesla. Yes, I wasn't looking at Tesla, Nvidia, but look, even Nvidia, look at that thing. So PLTR, yeah. PLTR was that case, and like now I'm going long on PLTR, let's say, but like that's is the software thing. But what I'm saying is like in PLTR here, like that 176.12, like it was a clear short, and it was like, but then you say like, okay, David, like you might be still picking the wrong stock. Let's look at SPY. What is SPY telling you there? It's under trouble. Look at how far we are from those moving average. Yes, we can come back up all the way up, but at the moment of the opening, the flush was the expected. If you were looking at this, yes, for sure, I can say it, but it will take some time. You know, it's whatever.
But you got it. But you got it long. You got PLTR long, but
Yeah.
you wanted it short at that level.
Exactly. If I wanted to have a trade earlier, it was a short, not a long. In either of them, it was a short, not a long. So, and yeah.
Well, now if you've got a long, SPY for some reason something's feeding it. Something reversed, big time. And I don't believe that whatever that's here is pushing SPY. So we don't have a whole lot of green tickets. Okay, so we've got BBAI, we've got CLSK.
It has been very annoying for many people because the market does feel like very manipulated, but
I would agree with that statement.
at the end, what can you do? You know, it's like
Yeah.
there's nothing we can do about it.
Okay, so Tesla bounced $5, so something's feeding SPY, and I think we found it. Good for yours. Are you still? Yeah, go. Nice.
I have an order to get out of it.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
What's the level?
It's the all-time high, but it's not double it.
Mm.
Like I think the stock price, like no financial advice for anybody out there. Make sure you read that word disclaimer. But in my opinion, it's just my opinion, and it's a comment I have pretty much for Marie because was asking. But like, yeah, I think the price of Tesla is gonna double in the next 6 months. Actually, we have a bet that I sent by email. You remember that? And but like the reason why I believe is because of Elon Musk really working on it, and they have a bunch of new products that they are working behind scenes, something like that. So, but
Okay.
yeah, so I think it's like in this case, like the healthy question is why don't you put your order at double of the price and hold it for 6 months if you really believe so, because that is easier money to make in between. So right now, once it goes to all-time high, I'm gonna be able to get out, buy something else that is gonna move way faster than Tesla, and whenever Tesla pull back again, I can get back Tesla. So, but like you see, the 160, the 468 was right now the all-time high. It went there, it pierced it by $3-4, and then it tanked another $80 down. You know, so well 80, like about $60 down. So why would I stay there for another 6 months if I know I want to buy BBAI? But like BBAI, I will buy less, let's say, just for the heck of it.
RGTI.
RGTI was a very interesting price for me, but like I didn't look at it again. RGTI what? What are you looking at RGTI?
RGTI had a really healthy $3 push up. Now retesting at 53. We've got a big level there. We should see what it's going to do.
Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Yeah, Max Verstappen. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Look at BBAI.
I don't look at it, probably right.
Mm?
Yeah, I like. Yeah. Oh my goodness, $9. I guess Rigetti is doing similar things. No, Rigetti is at 53. Rigetti is neglect like behind today, I would say. Like Rigetti. But like I don't think it can pull back down too much, you know. Like that's another swing trade that will be probably sweet if you are able to get that decent price. Right now there is no decent price until close to $50. So it's okay. I took a good trade yesterday on Delta Airline.
Okay.
I actually liquidated today, but that was because I fall asleep. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, probably at like we can take a look, but like there is a short at a clear short price, and I think it was the price I short yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. We watch, yeah, exactly. That's the price I short yesterday. It's at 59, if I'm not mistaken. Maria. Yeah, Delta Airline, the short, that is so far from there that we shouldn't be dreaming with it. Yeah, and there is a. I didn't. You see, that's why I say I had to redo my levels. Like, the level I short yesterday was 59.96. That's the
Okay.
actual price I went short that.
But now there's two other levels on top.
Now the level is all. It doesn't work. It's wrong. Well, the 59.96 is still valid, but not the 60.13. So, because the 60.13 I was looking long,
Okay.
but yeah. So you have Irene. That the BBAI tape is very congested. So the best tape probably right now, BBAI tape is looking so bullish that it's insane.
It's insane. Agreed.
Rigetti is looking awkward, but like probably Rigetti can bounce 52.75. There is a decent buyer at 52.75. Do we have anything else? We don't have anything there, I know, in the chart. But like in the tape, there is a 52.75, 224 lot.
Okay.
So INTC, that was another good short yesterday. And yeah. My guy Zach, how are you doing?
Hi, Zach.
I don't know if he's there or not. Like, I was just remembering that today is Tuesday, so I opened Discord this morning, but like I didn't see you. Now I see you are live, but so AMD, look at that liquidity grab. Like that was a mistake to not take that long on AMD, but oh my god, AMD is so nice looking. Do we have anything else looking as AMD long? A BBAI, which is annoying, but it's looking good. Rigetti is looking as good, but Rigetti, I would like to put Rigetti. Let's see Rigetti. Rigetti. Oh no, Rigetti can pull back down a little bit too much. So INTC not looking that good. LAC is looking short right now. AMD. Do I have a way to take that trade? Well, with a ridiculous small amount of shares, probably. Let's do it. So I took the opening price right there.
Okay.
If you pull back, I'm gonna add, but like it's little shares because, as I say, it's looking so bullish. But I don't like the spot at what it is. Like, but just like it offered by about 20 minutes, it offered the best price possible, which was about 216.50.
Okay.
So, but it walked away with momentum. And why is AMD such a good trade? Because it have a big potential toward the around the 230, if ever you get there.
Okay.
Is the market gonna be like set up for that? Well, probably no. But for you to have an idea, that's why I say very little amount of shares. Why? Because I have to be able to survive if ever a pullback of about $3. So I have to work on that. That's not efficient right there. So nice. Yeah, Zach show up. Marie. Zach is doing good. He's there listening, but he's doing homework. Pretty nice, my guy. Pretty nice. So I hope school is going good.
Discipline.
Oh my god. Tesla at 220. I like Tesla at 219 to be honest. Let's see.
I just got it. I'm not laughing at you. I just got a whiff.
From Dumbo's tail. No? Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
No,
You're gonna work on that.
it's a
Marie.
dog.
Well, that's that's not the argument here. The argument here is just like yesterday I had the time to wash him, but like I say, in my finger, I had that thing, and I say like, oh, I'm not doing it because I don't want to. If you put a band-aid or anything, it doesn't work, you know. Water go through anyway, so it's just a little cut. But yesterday it was no seal. Oh, this one.
Oh yeah, I see.
So I say I don't want to watch Dumbo having a cut in my finger. The last day, well, Marie was in trading yesterday, but I was here. Like, we did pretty good yesterday. Um, I fall asleep and I keep trades open because we like the power went down for a couple hours probably, and yeah, I fall asleep until the 2:30 a.m. and like, but yeah, it was pretty good day. So in general, for me, and yeah, I have been going good in general. Like right now, these trades that you see there, the only trade I took intentionally was AMD, but the other is Capitalize AI taking trades, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I start liking the loans now that I saw AMD popping up that way,
Mm-hmm.
but I have no long, like I don't have many trades right now, so I have to work a little bit earlier in those things. Hopefully tomorrow I don't have too many things to do in the morning. So yeah, if you ask why you didn't do it at 2 a.m. because it was no, I was trying to no entice working at that time, so it's like not the best time probably.
I don't even. Do you like that? Did you see that? I don't have to say nothing. You ask, and you've got the. I didn't even say. Why didn't you do it at 2 a.m.? And I'm like, you just.
I ask and reply myself. That's really annoying. I'm sorry.
No, hey. Saves me talking. But no, I didn't think of that at all. Because usually, I know that for me, if I wake up earlier and I start to work, it's very, like, when I wake up during the night, it's always with a hope that I'll be going back to sleep. So, if if I start working, well then, that hope is bye-bye.
Babaila,
Gone.
babaila for an isla.
Well, Irene, it's been a good run.
It doesn't want to go higher.
But it seems to be topping at 63 and reacting to the VWAP and Anchor VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been consolidating between, like consolidating a dollar range. So I like the fact that it keeps bouncing the VWAP, but, and the fact that we still have the PCL that's way above and the high, the pre-market high that's way above it. So I like the fact that it's got that unbalance, but
That's Irene.
mm-hmm.
Now Rigetti start getting attractive to me.
Okay.
Like if you look at it, for the long, it start to look like that. So I'm gonna double check everything. But for Rigetti, I think we are getting there.
Yeah, 50 huge.
Yeah, 50, 60 as well. Not huge, but decent. And yeah, Irene is in trouble right now. Irene, I don't know, like you say it kind of topped there, but like is in case
What
you
you
have
mean like top? No.
like
Oh, you
Irene
mean
was not
yeah.
going higher. Like I just by coincidence, like when I open it, it's Irene. The level I have on Irene is 63.35. It shouldn't go higher than that,
Okay.
unless I am wrong on that one. So, but it didn't went there yet. Probably. Let's see.
63.31? No.
35.
35? No.
No, okay, so I'm gonna take a short at that price. But like I'm gonna put an order there. If ever you get there, I will be okay. And Irene. Yeah, AMD
Okay, BBAI pulled back to the 200.
Okay. So AMD, I add on AMD right there, but I am not letting that one go far. So I actually that's a good question there, man.
What's the question?
Like on AMD, that's a mistake, but to add, like as I say, it's very little amount of shares because I kind of don't like it
Okay,
where I took it first.
okay.
But instead of adding, what I see is better to be out of the trade completely
Okay.
and put an order at the PCL right now. It shouldn't break the PCL by the penny. It coincides with those so many levels right now that it should
Okay.
go higher.
You don't think so?
There is a confluence of levels right there. A little bit of front running for sure. I say I wanted to look at what we were talking and I got distracted. RGTI. Because I say, yeah, it was a good long. It's already on its way. So there is nothing to look for it right now. Like, I mean, I'm not saying that it's going to go way higher, but like, if there was a trade there, I miss it for sure.
Okay.
So, yeah, look at the quality of the bounce of the 50. Right now, if you still believe on it, there is a trade at 51.60, at 50.60. Yeah, look at 51.60, not 50.60, 51.60. 1,000 lot in ARCA
At what?
at 51.60. But it's running from it, you know, it's but it's still like you gave the best price. You remember? I say 50, and you say no, 50. And it went there by the penny.
By
It
the
actually
penny.
it didn't touch it. It went 2 cents above the price. So
Okay.
I got Irene short, but I don't wanna talk about it. I don't want to influence Marie there. I might be wrong, especially because things were in a stream down. So it's a regular size. Regular one are lost, if ever I am wrong in there. But yeah, was getting toppy.
Right? It was getting toppy. Top heavy.
You're funny. You are so funny, lady. If you wanna laugh at my in Irene, my stop loss is exactly
The biggest order.
at the 200 moving
65.
average,
Okay.
64.33. So
My 200 is 63.20.
201 minutes. Because the one I'm saying is the 5-minute one.
201, yeah.
Yeah, that mine says 64.30.
Okay.
in the 1 minute, but in the 5 minute it's a 64.33.
Okay, in the 1 minute, your 200 is what?
It's okay. 64.30. I am 10 cents off than you, but it's because I am using a weighted one.
No, I'm 63.20. I'm not 10 cents. It's $1.
60 what do you have?
I got the 200.
Mm-hmm.
It's an EMA, right?
Yeah, that's why I say like.
Okay, my EMA it's 63.20
Mm-hmm.
in the 1 minute, and
Yeah.
it's a 200.
Yeah, that's okay. It's like because you have a exponential, you
Yeah.
have a EMA, and I have an SMA.
Oh, you've got the simple. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I didn't want to react like too
Okay.
fast, and yours is more reactive, and that's why it's. None of them are wrong. It's just like the idea is. It's a different trade.
It's almost impossible. But
What has been?
the position is 65, and the offer is just freaking insanely large. Now it's at the PCL. Huh.
Yeah, Irene got me out, and I hope you have it yet.
Oh yeah. Oh God.
Nice.
I'm considering being all out at 65, but now we've got positions building at 65.50.
Mm-hmm.
So ooh, which one?
It's okay. It's PLTR.
Nice. Okay, I need to readjust my tapes.
Tesla never got me in, so I'm gonna cancel the order for Tesla because it went quite above my price. So
Did it?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 65's on deck.
Did you take a look at food by any chance?
No, and we said we were going to. say we were going to?
Yeah, because
Oh,
it's crazy strong.
is it still? Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, not for the days, just not as a day trade. Sorry, but in general, it have been like pumping up like quite nice.
Okay.
Hey,
What's that?
um, it's holding quite good, I will say. Yeah, okay. So everything so far even going higher.
Well, spies are approaching the level I had of 659.50.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see what's going to happen there. Oh, you're not going to consolidate forever there, are you?
Whatever you. So, Marie, do you have any good stories that you can share?
Good story. Hmm. Okay, come on now. There's no way you're big enough to rebel. I don't have a whole lot of good stories. Oh, I've started. I've got a theme for Halloween.
Right?
I changed my costume.
All right. I like what I hear. I got mine too.
Oh! What?
We all got ours.
What? Well, I know Larry was talking about that this weekend, and she told me that I will die when I'm going to see them, and I want to see them now.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
wanna
it's true.
see
I'm not
them
allowed to tell you
now.
anything about that.
Yeah.
Sorry, Marie. I cannot tell you anything about it. She is specified. Don't talk to Marie about these things. I say it's okay, boss. I
Okay,
won't say
Larry,
anything.
it's not working.
Oh, it is working because now I remember.
No, but I mean, yeah, because that's what Larry does. She goes through the girls to know stuff, and I'm like, no, I'm not telling you, but the girls know. So she goes to the girls, and the girls like spill the beans completely. So then I said, now I was trying to go back to her. It didn't work. Dang! He remembered.
Yeah, I almost fell in there. But yeah, so but you have like, are you willing to share what you like? It's mine. Not sharing is not personal. It's just I have a.
Sure,
I have a
do.
line from the boss, and she say, hey, you don't say a shit about this, and I won't say a shit about that.
Yeah, sure, I want to share. No,
Okay.
it'll be a surprise. I'm trying to convince.
It's a good thing to have surprises. Sometimes.
Yeah, I'm trying to convince Joe
Yeah.
to change his.
I like his a lot, you know. So, I really like his. So, I wouldn't put much pressure on that one.
Yeah, but he could change.
Yeah, for sure.
And it would somewhat match mine too, so.
Okay. Yeah, I think he looks very good in his.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think like the problem I have with like with what I'm saying is like I look at you, Joe, and I look at his, and it's like that looks like you. So it's a good idea.
It looks
it's
like
it's
a wizard.
It's a good idea to keep it.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, for sure, let's see. Oh my gosh. Siren is still going higher?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
Absolutely. 65. We've got a position now building at 65, 53, 58. Then we've got a little pass there, but we'll see what's going to happen at 65. I'm thinking like it can't go that much higher, right? But
Well, we don't know. Like today, things can go really high, actually.
right?
Because
Like it's really close to the PCL right now, so it's not like it's, crazy blue sky. Far from it. But it's just like when it consolidates. When it consolidates. And right now 65 it could consolidate pretty heavy.
like if we had time to work these levels out in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
you know, Hood by the penny.
Ugh.
Like he went there by the penny.
And you talked about it.
But well, like let's be fair here. The reason why I talk about Hood is because I listened to in Bloomberg.
Mm.
So in Bloomberg they were saying about Hood being one of the stock that, if not the one of the stock that has the highest gain
Ooh.
for the year. Mm-hmm. What's up? You wanna go out? Let's go. I'll be back. All right, we are back, and yeah, like it's the moment for me to start looking short. And why would I say such a thing? There are a couple names that are not as strong. So if you see a SPY here, we are getting to that 5 minute open moving average, and like I think we have a higher chance of crossing that. But the names that are not as strong, they may start pulling back from here. Like, and I'm talking like, look at that American airline here. Where is it? Very close to my short point. So straightforward
What's your
up
short point?
59.96. So I'm gonna go for that bad boy at that price. And that Delta airline, Delta is flying today, that's for sure. And but we have to put it in perspective. Is it higher than yesterday? Is it looking stronger than yesterday? Well, not really.
No.
So funny enough, one of the weakest name I have is Nvidia. Of course, like he gave away
Wow,
like
look at, yeah.
$8
wow,
from yesterday to today.
Wow, that's huge.
Do you normally take a American airline flight to go to China? No, I don't think it will be like that. But so order is in to go shortish on American airline. INTC was the other name. Due to the fact that Nvidia is so weak, INTC might be easy. INTC. Oh yeah, look at the INTC. Oh la la. As you see, like, and that's what I was talking
Didn't I
about.
say 35? Where is it now?
35.44.
Okay.
I don't
And
remember.
what did it do at 35?
35.00. Right now, it looks like the level of support,
Okay. That's what I was thinking.
but it's not very clear because he went through both sides 2 times.
Okay.
So it went
So
down.
for me, I would have taken it at 35. So
You will
like,
you will survive that one. That's for
Okay.
sure. Because from there he only went like 30 something cents, like 31 cents against that.
Oh, okay.
So it was a pretty good trade if ever you took it. But like I don't think you took it. You took Irene was. How long? How long?
I like
Yeah, look at.
the red hot chili peppers.
Yeah, I like them too. Like what we say, Nvidia is the weakest name today. Look at this bad boy here. The only thing that you see yes here, what is it? Nvidia. So the rest have cleared up. I don't know the lyrics, but this is okay. All right. So Delta Airlines. Passenger with the flights A3540, please approach the counter. Your flight is going to be to take off in about 15 minutes.
Hold on.
Well, that flight actually took off very long ago today because it went as low as 57.68. I'm glad I liquidated that overnight trade because it was a mistake. It was just I fall asleep on. But yeah, And right now it's just at the short reloading place, whatever you wanna call that thing in there. And but that company is a very strong company. Like that stock is a very strong stock. Like if you
You
see,
think so?
oh yeah, no yeah, like we have been talking about this since 2 years ago, maybe more. Like me, Zach, Pierre, at some
Okay.
point, and it's like, yeah, like if you are willing to take a trade on American Airlines or Delta and you have a very clear idea,
Mm-hmm.
I will prefer to trade American Delta.
Out of the
Out of JetBlue,
aviation,
yeah, exactly.
yes, the aviation stocks. Okay.
Like I find a good trading in JetBlue normally, but like that thing moves so violently, and it's like, yeah, look at $4. Yeah, exactly. That's what. Like if we look at the weekly, daily, and like they keep going going down. Yeah, like this is unfortunate, but yeah, but it is kind of predictable. It's just like if you pick your fight here, like I will say for sure Delta is easier.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a weekly chart. If you see, we are seeing data there from 2021 and what it have done from $21 to 465, and now let's look at the same time frame but Delta. Exactly, that's what we are talking. This is 2020 when COVID hit, and we are at the time at the prices that COVID hit. I remember Warren Buffett sold this at like his average was between 50 to 48,
Okay.
and he sold it for a big loss here, like a very low. And he just said the world has changed. But hey, my guy, you are so good at what you do. Like I'm talking about Warren Buffett for sure. That your peak is back to whatever it was.
Wow. Eh?
Of course, like I saw a video this weekend where he's explaining like a question of like why are you sitting down in $300 billion right now? I think it is, and it's the highest amount of cash that Berkshire Hathaway have ever held. And he said, well, I think that sometimes things are he's waiting for an opportunity to buy, and like that's what he's saying. Like, but he explained it in his logic and his words, and you say, of course, like there is a guy that talked a little bit wrong about Warren Buffett in the past. I don't know the other guy like much, but like
What the hell can you say wrong about Warren Buffett?
because apparently they take in 2008 and in many micro crisis of the housing market, they seems to be acquiring a lot of the
Okay.
because they
Yeah.
like right now, for example, what Warren Buffett is doing, he have
Liquidations.
this
and
amount of
sell.
money, and this company gonna be begging for money whenever they go down, and like what Berkshire Hathaway is there to buy it for the price of dead cats, you know. And like
Yes, but isn't that what
that's the
a
business.
lot
And like I mean, like
isn't
right
what
now,
you're
let's say
supposed
like
to do?
the pullback that he might be expecting in some sectors is not there yet. Things are all-time high. Aren't you being aware that he's saying that we are keeping this cash because an opportunity might be offered? So why don't you liquidate right now and you keep your cash, and whenever we see the opportunity, you buy too, you know? And not in front of you saying you cannot do the same that I'm doing.
It makes sense. I mean, like, okay, so if that's the only things that they can say about, like, okay, so he's good at doing business.
But like something else I learned is that they hold about 5% of the entire U.S. How you say that? GDP.
Are
Sorry
you
about that.
sure about that?
Yeah. From the whole GDP of United States. How much does Berkshire Hathaway own? Gemini, you're good, but you're not that good, you know? Sometimes.
No?
Yeah, like sometimes I ask questions to Google and I find ChatGPT is more direct, normally, like more precise.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a like probably the video when I look at it, it was but it's a 3 to 4% of the entire country GDP.
Wow.
That's a lot, you know. Like just imagine, like I remember when.
Really? That's stating the obvious. One of the richest country in the world, and you own 3 to 4%. Oh,
Right? They have a Berkshire Hathaway has a total asset of about in USD 1.16 trillion. Oh my god.
That's insane.
And the whole GDP of the state is 30.15 trillions. Yeah, I saw that Neil deGrasse Tyson say that it will take about 3 trillions, so it will be about a 10% of the GDP just to go to Mars. That's not too bad. You're
Well,
buying
that's why it's so
another whole planet
interesting.
for. You're buying another whole planet for a third of your.
I think that's why it's so interesting that so many there's so many private companies that are not government, that's not NASA, that's developing right technologies to go there. So it's pretty incredible.
Yeah. The question there is it really doable? Because apparently unless a government step in for these purposes, we are just dreaming about it. And yeah, like he's saying is that there is not enough motivations for the government to invest in that. So
At the moment,
and through generations, because apparently
like they've
why?
been doing a lot right now. Like whether that it's growing and doing like very, very long stays in an enclosed environment to see how human beings will react to it. No. I wouldn't
Yeah,
believe
for
in-
sure. Like all the data is gonna be there, but apparently the only thing that we are missing to go in there is
Oh, well, for sure.
and like
Yeah, but then we've got Elon that's.
Elon is not capable of getting us there alone.
Oh no, but
Like,
he's
because-
really, really behind it, right? So-
Like he can provide. Like if Elon say tomorrow I'm gonna like pay it out of my pocket, then yes, it would take about 9 months apparently. But he will be resigning to anything. Like, what will, if you are an investor of Tesla or anything like that, if they say that, what would you do? If Elon say I'm taking all my money just to go to Mars, even if it's the last thing I do? Yeah, you are a weird sample. Okay, got you.
mean, come on. Human exploration? Oof. Like, that would be like humanity getting out of its belly button. Like,
That's
it's-
what we think it will be. But
it would be so amazing if we would be able to collectively work together towards a goal like that. But we can't even agree on the healthcare, so on saving our human beings, so it would be very, very difficult for us to collectively work together on that goal. But yeah.
ay.
No?
I totally know what you mean. I think I agree 100%. It's just like, what can we do? It's like,
Well, we never know, baby.
yeah.
We might be able to do something.
I hope so. Yeah. Let's say I won't be the one that will be putting limits to that.
Right?
After the show, if you can remember me, orders alert. I was working on
Okay.
something, but it didn't work, and
Okay.
it will solve a little problem we have. But like trading wise, it's just like
Okay.
with the alerts I'm doing here, I was testing something and like, if ever you figure out something, that's why I will want to mention to you.
Okay, boss.
I'm not the boss here, you know that.
No.
I know
If
you
I
know
don't
that
say-
very well.
No. No. Je hablo la verdad.
Sure.
Es solamente la verdad.
I think you can say to everybody that you are not the boss, and people won't still believe you. I know you are saying the truth, like, and this one I will take. Yes, she's the boss.
Really? But
So,
I think that
but
if
what I'm
people
saying is, like-
know you, too, you don't give your place away. So, you know what I mean?
You are funny.
You don't give your place away. Okay, so am I afraid to take control? Absolutely not. That being said, you don't give your place away.
The only thing I agree with that is that eventually we have disagreements, and we fight for it. You know?
We have disagreements? What?
Yeah, like
What?
I have been learning to be gentle when you say things because you're gonna get fried by Marie, but like for example, Irene, you were going long on Irene,
Yeah.
and you still have your long on Irene.
Yeah.
Like in the past, I would say, I'm not saying here like I am right or wrong. It's just like my behavior, what I was doing, like that's a piece of crap there, you know. And then like
Oh, I think you didn't say it, but I heard it loud and clear.
I didn't say that. No.
No, but I heard it loud and clear because that's what you don't understand. When you say, I'm not gonna say
What I
anything.
don't understand. Ay.
No, what you don't
She's
understand.
gonna whack me soon.
Yeah. No whacking. But what you don't understand is that when you say, I'm not going to say what I think right now because I don't want to contaminate your trade. You say loud and clear what you think right now, which is like, yeah, no.
Yeah, but I gonna keep it pushing because I think he's correct. I have been getting better at the way I say it. Like I do express my idea, but in the past my idea have too many personal opinions where we're a little bit stupid even we can say. So and like and that's what I mean. It's not like it's not the intention here is not to not say it.
Oh no.
Then, but yes, there is the intention of not contaminating your idea much because it's like let's say, what will happen if you come and say like, oh, Tesla is alone now, and it's like you are so convinced that you are able to make me believe that then I will be willing to do something that I wasn't willing, and like that's why. Like in trading, I think we are very far from that point. You know, like
Yeah,
in the past, probably we were an obstacle for each other in that matter. But like I think we have dealt so much with trading that I think that we are at the point that I really Marie can say anything and I can say anything, and like we will still manifest our initial idea.
I love that. I would have to agree with you, Davey.
You don't have to.
Well, on that one, I have to. That's incredible, eh? That we've got the longest shutdown of government.
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna go for half of the size at a okay price for my short on Delta.
Mm-hmm.
And as I say, is if ever you go higher or if you manifest that my price was correct, then I will add. But right now, Delta Airline is pulling back a little bit. It's not pulling back. Let's say it's consolidating a little bit before. And I kind of don't like that. Like, I mean, are you gonna go through or you are not gonna go through? So, because now it's gonna start building momentum there. There we go. I got that short. Let's see if it doesn't fry me right away. But okay. So Nvidia. Let's see Nvidia. Oh my God, Nvidia. Yeah, I have no trades ideas for Nvidia right now. It my worst shot if ever it get down to 180.30 or 180.50.
Okay.
But I don't feel like playing chicken on that one. No. A picture I have in my my head last week, maybe yesterday. I don't remember. You know Nvidia and how AMD went high because of Nvidia news and all those things, and like they keep buying company and investing here and there, and like people went to those companies and some of those companies like double their price, triple their price. Still, the big juice is in them.
In what?
Like I think it's still the biggest gainer is gonna be them. Like it's just that they are smart enough to. You know, to like they might be thinking probably 3 to 4 years ahead, maybe more than that even. Like, but like what I'm saying is like for the evaluation,
Okay.
it's not a concern right now. Though they are investing money here and there, so like I don't know probably what to say. What I'm trying to say, but what I'm trying to say is like
You still think that that's going to be the biggest reward or consistent stock to invest in?
In the long term, I think they're gonna have the biggest rewards
Okay.
compared to what the little companies that they have been buying here and there are having.
Okay. I like. Mm-hmm. 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 Hmm. I'm looking for a short.
Irene, I'm not trying to be funny on there, you know.
Oh no no, I know you're not trying. Tape is not confirming that. So no, it should go to 66. Maybe at 66 actually. What's going on after that? Hmm. Let's put it at 66. I got out completely of it. Good trade. 10 hours.
Nice.
So right now I'm looking at our GTI.
RGTI.
Hmm. Hmm.
Well, that looks like a Marie tray. I'm
Which
not
one?
RGTI. Yes, that looks like a Marie tray.
Go there.
I probably don't want to influence you too much on that one, but it does look like. Look at how before the market opened, we were all above the VWAP, holding quite good. We went to test value at $50 about, which actually we never print $50, but
I reversed Marie trade.
not
Short
sure.
at 53. No?
I have not enough data. I was seeing when I made my comment it was alone,
Okay.
but I have not sufficient data on that one, so I'm sorry.
Yeah, let's see what it does at 53. $35, $34.88. High NTC. I'll just put 5 those there, and at 34.80. I'll go back to our GTI. Okay, so it's going to be there now. set out there, consolidation. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. SPY is definitely gaining strength. Seems like we're losing a little bit of sellers there. You have AMD long?
Yeah, and Delta short. Delta is a good short too. I don't want to put the idea so you were looking for shorts and telling you what I think.
Mm-hmm.
I had a bit bad price for Delta, but I am willing to add if ever you get to 90s.
Okay.
But it doesn't seem to be wanting to go to 90s. And if you want the exact price, it's 59.94 cents.
Okay. What do you think of BBAI?
Another one that I have not much information. What you look at BBA, short or long?
For me, it was a short. Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Okay. I just have to add to Delta right now. Right there. And then I have half of a stop loss. And that's it. That is right now. Right now it's at my short price. By the penny, it haven't went above.
Wow.
So I'm not saying it's going to work. I'm just saying like it's looking good. So I don't have to think about Delta anymore. So let's see if he wants to manifest or not. Because there is a between 60, 13. Like there are three prices that are very interesting. There's 60. 60.13 and 60.30. Those were the prices it was bouncing last week. So, but right now those levels are what? Level of resistance. And there is one of them that I am not able to survive, which is the 60.30. Because my stop loss is 3 cents below that.
Okay.
So it's okay. It's okay, my friend. So BBAI. What is BBAI doing? Oh my gosh. What did you say you're looking for, BBAI? Long, short?
Yeah, short. Oh God, no. Never mind. I walked away from it.
Okay.
Yeah, no. That's a long. It's not a long right now on the tape for a long period of time, and it's got like almost a double top. It did not make a higher high. That's why it looked interesting for me. We'll see how the tape is going to be flipping, because it made a high when we're looking at here. It made a high at 940, but then when it went to retest it, thinking that, hey, you know what, it could go through. Well, no, it didn't. So it actually then topped in at 938. Did not make a higher high. Again, now that it's popped up again, yeah, you know what? That could be. Tape flips very quickly right now.
Right. Yeah, like the massive size between 938 or 935 and 945 is telling me, leave that thing quietly unless you are going north. And going north, you have the problem that is trading at the top of the range right now. You should have that thing. You don't have it right now, but do you see that thing here? Where you have the spectrum of what is the opening range
the
high?
opening range, yeah.
And look how it's respecting it, the top. So like why I think you should have it, and because it's gonna give you value. Like right now, you are engaging on your own, like so you might be off a few seconds. But if ever, just take a look at Delta Airline and like just for the fun of it, and I seem to be right on that one.
Yeah, let me go. Where would I find it? Holy cannoli.
I have an uncle that is like my dad because I lived with him for a long time, and he used to say that patience is a virtue,
Yep.
and I always used to say that's not right, that's not correct, like that's like
Why
Yeah.
is that not correct?
yeah, like yeah, I was young and still young, and I still believe so, but in trading it seems to be so.
Ah!
In trading specifically, it seems to be. But yeah, for my life, I find that I want to be patient, but I don't want to be too patient. Because I find that when you are too patient, you let things go too far, or you let things do their own things when you can really take actions on it, and that's why I don't like it. So
Agreed with you.
yeah, but yeah, just that. It's just a little comment there. But why I say that, because Delta, I say, and of course, Delta gave me a little hint that say, we don't want to go there. And then you look by the penny. Look at my ad there. That's when I told you, like, it's at my price now.
That was beauty.
But that's what I'm saying. Like, why I didn't, like, right now, that's not my average price. That's my ad, my second ad. But like, I think about it like that. But my question is like, if you just leave your whole order there, that will be so easy. Like, I mean, I know why I don't do that, and that's the problem I'm trying to solve with the alerts. But we're gonna have to keep looking at it differently.
Let's go.
You got what? BBAI?
BBAI short printing well.
Look at you.
Ah! Almost looks, but I'm faking it well. Fake it till you make it.
Well, you don't have to fake it because you are making it. Pretty cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, is market tumbling down now? Not sure about that. Yeah, BBA broke through the VWAP quite aggressively.
Very aggressive. But it could be just a smoky move, right? We know
Yeah,
that.
for sure. Like,
We know that. Well, it proves I've got a head, but I'm getting a headache.
You're funny.
What's happening? That you're shaking.
Let's take a quick look at NVIDIA. Yeah, it's like you have a perfect timing for your looking for a short or your shorts ideas. It's pretty cool stuff, but so why is it the alert?
Which alert did you receive?
No, it's like why I'm alert for your like you have right timing.
Who?
You on your short and Delta prove it to be right, but why am I thinking about that? Because of the lack of momentum, probably. And yeah, all right. Yeah, but at the same time, I don't like how the sector is looking like. If you notice, like if you go to the technology sector, basically Nvidia, AMD, INTC, is one of the flattest VWAPs that we have. Out of them, which one I sense is a bit strong, is AMD, that's a for sure. So I see Nvidia weaker, but I don't think Nvidia can go too low from there. And like I haven't checked. It's just an opinion. INTC, I think if I'm not mistaken, it went up enough. No, it didn't went up enough, and it's pulling back again too. So what is that? What do I read that like? Strength or weakness? Which area above the VWAP? That's a for sure. and the index is having resistance at a very technical price. Does that mean anything else? We pierced it, we went down, but we didn't went away, and we are trading a slightly higher. Yeah, this is a bullish move.
What's the bullish move?
Yeah, it's there is a strength there. It's not at the right time. Like ideally, whatever loans I have, I should have it from earlier. So I don't have a good price for my loan. That's for sure. But the market is stronger than weaker right now. So like I guess if you say one of the two, you just imply the other. But so Delta and BBAI doesn't go in the same pocket because they were extended.
Mm-hmm.
But we have Tesla pulling back from kind of exactly. That's an early pullback probably. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna make peace with that. Basically, I see it as a strength. So
Okay.
the fact that we are not selling off more aggressive right now. I agree that I don't have the best price. And I will decide to hold, and I should be taking some partials on Delta Airline very soon because if I am right, that is not a short leaf, a long leaf, or a long life short. All right. Sorry. Look at the RSI reaction from SPY, right below the 50. And yes, I know you have been pulling that one out before, especially like 3 times, but like it was smaller. But
12:20. Powell speaking.
yeah, it's an hour yet from there, but and there have been more talking from like I think Mussolini or whatever name it is was before. No, it was Bowman, but that was before the market opened.
Mm-hmm.
And Powell is gonna be at 12:20, as you say. Then we have Waller at 3:25, and Collins at 3:30. So
Okay.
a little bit surprised for the market reaction today.
Really?
Yeah, like slowly, but things are coming back up. Slowly but healthy is probably that's the way to say it. Like I wouldn't like to see it recuperating like in one shot probably. But at the same time, we don't know what Powell is gonna say, and we know that last time Powell talked, he was his comments made the market pull back when he was saying that equities were too high.
Davey,
Yes, sir.
are we able to just take 2 minutes?
Yeah, for sure. We're gonna be back in a bit. All right, we are back. So a SPY pull back from there. So we say very technical level, and I hope it doesn't pull back too bad. But like right now, the RSI, whatever we were saying about the RSI in the last 5 minutes, it went above the 50.00, but like it came back down, and let's see where the seller is able to. Yeah, the buyers were. Yeah, it's okay. Still like pulling back. Let's hope we don't get any tweet.
Eh?
Let's hope he doesn't tweet anything for now.
Oh.
Before Paul, because
Yeah, we know.
he
we
have been
know.
grabbing the attention before Paul lately. It's like,
He has a tendency to grab that mic.
mm-hmm.
You're such a good, yeah, that's a good reminder, right?
Verte a ti y así en tus ojos algo nuevo descubrir. Las cosas decían que eras mía. I wake up this morning and the girls say, Papa, there were little kitties with the mama cat, and apparently we had a cat in the front that just gave birth, and they wanted to take it. They wanted, no, we have to get them and protect them until, yes, for sure. But
What? They saw there's some on your property?
yeah, it was inside the front yard. There was a cat with babies cats. So yeah, you see, I seems to be.
And the girls saw it.
Yeah. That was yesterday. I was sleeping, as I told you. But yeah, and they want to keep it just to make sure they were safe until, you know. But they are not safe inside here because Dumbo will eat them. So
No.
I don't think he will be able to eat them because
He will take care of them.
yeah, the mom of the cats is for sure more aggressive. Like, "Grrr." How do you say that? Dumbo is a lot of foam and a lot of chocolate.
Is a lot of what?
A lot of how you say, icing, but like not enough chocolate.
Oh, you're funny.
So for my Delta airline here, if I see here, I am just willing to be all out of Delta airline. Like, I think I'm wrong, so like, if I am wrong, probably it's about time to be looking the other way. Well, wrong. I was right in the direction of a spy, but that will mean that my short in Delta will be wrong. So,
Okay.
and we can keep it there and just see what it wants to do, because if I look at the 3 minutes, which I normally don't look, but even the 2 minutes, how does that look here? It's like a kind of rejection there by the penny. So yeah, let's see what it wants to do. Man, these are size so beautiful for a Delta airline that yeah, Tesla is holding, Nvidia is holding, Rigetti is holding. Oh, Rigetti did print 50.00. Like, this is the day of the low of the day, and it's 50.00.
Yeah.
So it was by the penny. So
By the penny.
especially because today is not a day that I will be holding trades,
Okay.
because Paul is gonna be talking at lunch. So
Yeah,
I
we know
think,
that that can be definitely volatile, right?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna start wrapping it up. Right now I'm red by a little bit, but not even 1 hour red. So as I say, I can probably get out of the Delta airline because I consider myself a bit wrong in there. But let's see what names did we trade today. So I trade a lot of names actually. So if you see Irene, I took Irene here, and I took a loss on Irene. Then I shorted, and I took another loss, but that was just a lack of patience on that second short. Because if you see where I got out here, I got out exactly at the moving average. So that was for Irene. So red name Irene. So INTC, I didn't took INTC. That was the overnight trade with Delta that I held by mistake. So then Delta Airlines. In Delta Airlines, I did short, add to the short, and now I'm probably gonna catch a loss on it. But right now I'm just waiting for it to print again 59.90. And once I see the reaction of 59.90, I can take a decision in that. So I also trade NVDA. I went long here, didn't hold. At the open, I took a lot of long trades that didn't hold. None of them hold. So that was NVIDIA. Then was PLTR. The same story here. I don't know, PLTR was a very good trade actually. So in PLTR, I went long, took a loss. Then I went long, partial, and then I came all out. And look at where PLTR is. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow,
So
baby.
it was a clear mistake to be out all here, but like better safe than sorry eventually. So I didn't know that it was gonna go that high. But like, let's see if I don't do the same with AMD, because AMD, as I say, I believe is gonna go higher. But like right now, it's looking very crappy. So that's actually my last name for me to wrap it up. AMD. So in AMD, I went long here, add to the long. Got out here. I don't know. I'm a red on AMD or not? Yeah, it's a ridiculous. Yeah, it's a 0.1 hour that I lose on AMD. So here with the average, I came out practically break even, but then I went long again, and then I add to the long here, and now I'm just holding. I think this thing is wanting to go roughly. And like when I say roughly, take it with a big grain of salt. I think AMD want to go to 226, so that's why I'm trying to hold here. But if I am right, 226 is not a bad trade, from 219. So actually from 218.83.
Yeah, that's a really good.
Yeah. So so that's it for me. As I say, a little bit red right now. Delta Airlines, as I say, I have to keep eyes on it because it print higher 99. So do I want to be out of Delta Airlines? 60. Let's see how that tape is looking like. $60.04. If we print 60.13. It shouldn't go above 60.13. It shouldn't, but like as I say, big grain of salt there. I could be wrong. This market is pumping up, and so 60.13, that will be a 20 cents stop loss. So, but you know me, normally I don't want to do that, so I won't do that. So that's it for me. As I say, red by a little bit, probably red by more than that later, but we're gonna wait and see what we do. Yeah, no, probably no. I know I'm being a little bit funny with myself in there, but like, I don't think I'm gonna be like. I have very little red days during the last month, I will say. So no big deal there, but just like, I'm not keeping as much profit as I would like. Let's say that's the best way to say it. So what about you, Marie? I know you trade Irene.
Yes. Darn it. So right now, well, I'll tell you what. Right now, let's try to. I'm gonna describe BBAI.
Okay, yeah.
Because right now I'm in BBAI, and I think it's gonna manifest one way or the other. It's been around the VWAP quite a lot right now.
You only have to say BBAI, manifest yourself, and it will do it.
BBAI, manifest yourself, please. I want to have the grain of sand dropping. This is a beautiful short, people, right? And then you can get a better price to get in there. We still have some room to pull back down. I mean, come on. Look at the PCL. PCL is right there. That would be a better price to go in long. And if we're looking at the tape, the biggest position right now, we've got two big positions when we're looking at the bid to the lower price. We've got 871, that's almost like 1,000. And then we've got 861, 860, 850. Now that's a better price to go long on PPAI. So this is where I would like to be out of the trade. Right now, I don't like the fact that it's consolidating so well around that 9. That's my price. I do have a big position. I already took 2 partials on BBAI because I was able to go short at 913. I took a partial right, like perfect at the pullback at 892. Added on the pop at 9, took a partial again at 890, added on the pop at 9 again, so I still had 9. So right now though, I'm expecting it to do a flush. We've got tape acceleration. Is this the where it's going to be manifesting? We will see. So right now, I still have BBAI. I'm expecting it, like I said, I would like to have a nice little pullback at 880, very close to the PCL. There it goes, with the full position. That would be sweet. Okay, so I'm going to break even there, and let's go to another trade. So the other trade that I took, so my first one that got initiated was TMC. So TMC, I was interested in TMC at 1050, and then the tape just populated itself. Pardon?
Again, I'm a retrade, and there is a problem
Yeah.
with that. The problem I see with that, like for my definition of I'm a retrade, is only longs. There is no shorts in the trade setup I have for you. That the trade I have been seeing that you take. I don't have the short version of it.
Oh, okay.
Though
okay.
I can assume it's like similar, but like all of them, I only identifying them when they go long. But yeah, keep talking.
So TMC, what I did is, I didn't want to take a bit. When I saw the tape populating, I said, okay, well, it could go down to 9, and I've got the level here, 980, because it could go down to 980. It did go down to 980, and then I didn't look at it. Because I saw that the participation wasn't as interesting anymore. So, hey, it is what it is. So, then what I did is I had IBID. So IBID was a pre-market order. So I put it in at 62.50 and for IBID, and I took a 1R. So I didn't see the participation. I didn't see the volume. I got out of there.
You got the best price, pretty much.
Yeah, at the pullback at 62.50. So yeah, very close to it, right? At 62.50. But then I got out. I didn't see the participation. The volume dropped on it because I was in 2 trades simultaneously, and the other one was Irene. I saw that Irene, the interest and the volume was very much different. So what I did is I went into Irene. So I got Irene at 61. I added at the pop to 62. I added again though at 61.20 and 61. I took my first partial at 62.80. I added on the pullback of 62. I took another partial at 63. Took another partial at 63.50. Took another partial at 64. When's
So
my
you
next
got in
partial?
around.
65.20. I took another partial. Then I didn't have a whole lot left, so I started to add on the pullbacks. So added at 64.80. Added again at 64.80. I took another partial at 64.40. Took another partial at 64.60, added on the pullback at 64.40, and then I just got out at 65.60. That is a 10R trade. So my loss, the only loss I had, the only red trade I had was TMC with 3R. So the total of the day is close to 8 hours.
Very nice.
So I had a good day. Now it seems like Irene's going to go back to the 66. Definitely looks interesting at 66 to go short there. But if we're looking at the trade, we're still looking that. And BBAI got me out.
BBA got you out.
Yep. I'm glad when I was leaving.
Hey, Marie's trade.
It's true though, right?
Marie's trade.
Marie's
Marie's
trade. So I really like the trading that I did today, and be able to walk away from what? Why are you laughing?
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
No, dime.
I can tell I'm not laughing at you or with you or anything. I'm just laughing. It's like it's just
Okay.
it's a little bit comic and but
Well,
it's
to
interesting.
share, we like to laugh.
It's like 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 I have this. Like I don't know what happened to Marie. Like and as I say, I am not laughing with Marie or at Marie. It's just like it's a funny thing that like I find it funny because I spent a long time telling like, and it's not also a regret either. It's just like the comment is I was saying to her about the tape and the importance of the tape and blah blah blah, and I have years telling her that. Like I think probably 2 years, and like we took a vacation last summer where we were off like here and there for a couple of days, and Marie had time to read or to do something. I don't know what she did there. She might got like.
Hey, I got hit by lightning, and
So,
I didn't tell you.
She come about reading the tape and all that thing, and now she have a very solid idea of what she's doing, which like, not that before it was too bad or anything, but like
Now, are you like me
It-
feeling that he's skating?
skating, yes,
Woof, woof, woof.
it's like, you know, like
Okay, she
there is
was
a-
really a
there
bad
is-
trader
no.
before, and she came back, got hit by lightning, and now she's got it. Somewhat. You know, I'm kidding you.
I didn't
I'm
say
allowed to say.
I didn't say
I'm
that.
allowed to joke.
You are allowed to joke. That's for sure.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm so glad for you, and like I'm happy
Thank
because
you, thank
you're doing that well, and like you seem to know what you're doing. So I like it. So just
Thank
that,
you.
yeah,
Right back
we went
at
too
you.
far at that, but yeah, it's teamwork.
Exactly.
So that's it for us today. Do you have anything else to say?
Nope.
No? Okay, so we're gonna wrap it up and we will see you tomorrow. You will see us tomorrow probably. So have a good one, everybody, and we're gonna be here tomorrow. Bye.